Hello, this is Southern Tennessee Mom. Today we're going to make some delicious ribs. And I'm using Smithfield's ribs. They're extra meaty and they're baby back ribs. They're gorgeous and they are delicious. First, I've got a big pan here. I've already sprayed it with some cooking spray just so they don't stick. And I'm going to take my ribs and I'm going to wash them off. Of course, I always wash my meat. And then I'll put them in the pan. I'm going to put them side by side. I'm going to take a cup of hot water. Actually, I do use 2 coffee cups of hot water. I just had that on hand. I'm adding salt and pepper, generous amount to each of the ribs on the top. I'm going to just completely cover it. We love our salt and pepper. And I like to put the salt on it before it cooks. That way some of the salt cooks out of it. Then I'm going to take 1 stick of butter per rib, and I'm going to rub it all over it so it gets good coverage and plus get some salt and pepper in there. And then I'm going to take and smash 1 stick all the way down the length of the rib, as you can see there, on each of the ribs. And I've already got the oven at 350. I did line the bottom rack with tinfoil just in case there was some spillage. Okay, it's been 2 hours, so I took them out of the oven. I am flipping them. I've got some of this Weber's steak and chop seasoning. I got it at Walmart, and I thought, well, I smelled of it, and I thought, I bet this would be good on the ribs too. So I'm actually using this to season the ribs. I'm putting a generous amount all the way through it, all over it. And once I get done covering both of the ribs, I'm going to put it back in the oven for another 2 hours. It's been another 2 hours, and as you can see, the ribs are done. They have a good, gorgeous golden color. They look delicious. Now, I don't add the barbecue sauce to it as it's cooking. If you do add that, you can drain a little bit of the juice off, put your barbecue sauce on it, put it back in the oven for about 10 or 15 more minutes to let it soak in there, and then you already have the barbecue sauce on it. As you can see, I took my tongs, the rubber, and just tore the meat right off of it.